Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, after a long time, from today onwards, again we are going to continue our machine learning playlist, and in this particular video, we are going to discuss about column transformers in machine learning. So which plays a very important role in machine learning, even in your Jupyter Notebook coding and also even in your end-to-end implementation, because with the help of column transformer, you can write the pipeline code. So today in this particular video, we'll be discussing about that. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. And if you all want to learn data science or generative AI latest skills, so I have created my roadmap for generative AI and also for data science. Link will be in this video description. You can check out and do subscribe the channel. So guys, now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer screen and discuss more about this particular topic. So guys, I have already written the article you can see here about column transformer. So in this particular video, it will be both practical and also even I'll be explaining the theory also. But for this theory, only a basic I'll be explaining and left everything you can read from this article. We don't need to waste time in the theory. So we'll be diving more into our practical implementation, because this course, or else you can see this complete playlist, will be more practical oriented compared to theoretical, okay, to learn machine learning. So firstly, Scikit-learn column transformer. What is column transformer? Column transformer is a powerful tool for applying different transformations to different columns of the dataset. So you can perform different transformations to your dataset. So using column transformer, like one hot encoding and box Cox transformer. So previously I have discussed about different transformation techniques, right? Box Cox, Yo Johnson, all these transformation techniques you can update in this column transformer pipeline, and you can run them at a time. So for that we use column transformer. You can see here, simplifies your code by applying different transformations to different subsets of the column in a single step. So with a single run, we can apply multiple transformation techniques to our data sets. So prevents unintentional transformations and unrelated features, avoid data leakage. So mainly we use column transformer to avoid the data leakage, and it can help us it can help us to perform the things very well in one go. Okay, so for that we use column transformer. So how to use column transformer, you all can see here the code already, it's there. Import necessary libraries and code for it. So let me see here, there is a collab file. So I'll just open this collab file and we'll be running in this collab file. Okay, everything is already available in this particular collab file. So you can see here, column transformer is a powerful tool for applying different transformations to different columns of data set. So you can see here all there is a small information. Now what we have to do, we have to import the necessary libraries. So I'll just connect this. We'll be working on tips data set. Okay, so there is a data set called tips, on that we'll be working. Okay. So guys, before we continue further, I have created a Discord community for you all, where I'll be updating the job posts, and even you can message with me personally if you have any doubts. You all can connect with me one-to-one in Discord also, and even to the community people around. Everyone can provide references to each other, can chat with everyone normally, make connections around. So for that, mainly I have created my Discord server. You all can join the Discord server. The server link is in this video description, so you can join in that, and you all can message me there also. Okay, so first import all the normal libraries. So I'll just run this code. Import pandas, import numpy, seaborn, matplotlib, and even from sklearn.impute simple imputer we have updated. So if you have not watched the simple imputer video, you can check out that video where I have explained about simple imputer and one hot encoding, label encoding. All these are already covered. So I have loaded all this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to import the tips dataset. So the dataset of tips is that you can see a total bills, tips, and the gender of the person, which is sex of the person, smoker, day, time, and size. So all these are there. So you can see here in Colab there is even a new feature also, like next step here you can see here, view recommended plots. If you just enable this, Colab will automatically give you all the plots. Okay, this is a nice feature. You can see here. You don't need to sit and write all the code. Now you can see here in Colab, if you just click on this, you will get that image also, and if you want you can even click on show code also, you will get the code also. Actually, this is a nice feature from Colab. Okay, Google Colab, they are improving it day by day. It's nice. But if you want to see the images, you can now immediately see it. You don't need to separately sit and write the complete code for everything. See here, whatever possibility graphs you can get, it is analyzing and it is giving you all. Nice feature from Google Colab, you can see here. So until here all the plots, so it has given all this 12 plots. Okay, so now I'll check the sum, like if there is any null values or not in this particular data set. So there is no null values. After this, what we are going to do, we are going to check the shape of the data set. So it's a small data set, 244,7. Okay, so then we have performed box plot to check the gender ratio. So you can see here, is there anything gender related to gender? It did not print anything. So okay, you can see here. If you just run this, you will see here. So approximately both of them are almost equal. You can see here between male and female the ratio of the bar plot. Okay. And now we are checking with the category of male and female and total bills, like each guy has paid on a day. Like you can say on Monday who paid high, on on Thursday who paid high, Friday who paid high, on Saturday, Sunday. So everything you can see. This is the kind of good data set you can see here. You can visualize well. This code is for that. Okay. Without using column transformer library. So now to perform the task without using column transformer, what you have to do, you have to segregate this numerical data and categorical data, then apply standard scalar. So SS is equals to standard scalar. So we have stored in a shortcut, like in a variable called SS. SS dot fit transform numerical columns, comma columns is equals to numerical columns. So pandas data frame. So we have used. So now it is going to standardize the data. It is performing the standard scalar. After that, concatenating both transform numerical value and categorical data. So it is, we are concatenating both of them. Transformed cat is not defined. Okay, so okay. Before that, we need to run this. So once that is done, we have performed one hot encoding also for numerical columns. For categorical columns, yeah, just we have performed fit transformation. Categorical columns, we have applied one hot encoder, and handlers we have ignored. Okay, so this code is to perform that. Now let us see. You can see here now. So the data is standardized properly. Everything is numerical. Now whatever categorical data is there, that we got in one hot encoding method. Okay. So for this also, you can enable this. If you enable this, you will automatically get the recommended plots. I'm just showing you all, that's all. Okay, so you can try it out. It looks interesting. So you can see here, you can see at the above that we need to define each and every transformation. Okay, in this particular, without using column transformer method, we have to define each and every transformations. So without which it's not possible, and it's not easy also. Now using column transformer. So I again have a df.head here. So now I'll import from Scikit-learn dot compose import column transformer, and now one hot encoding. So this trans variable I have created. In this we are creating column transformer. Column transformer and transformers is equals to. So in this open and close bracket we are mentioning everything. Standard scaling. So standard scalar for numerical columns. One hot encoding. So handler is equals to ignore, comma categorical columns, and we have mentioned everything like numerical data. This code is for numerical columns and this code is for categorical columns. I guess you all are not able to see. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, now we can see, I guess. Now, yeah, now you all can see here. So column transformer we have created. Transformers is equals to standard scaling. So standard scalar numerical columns. And for one hot encoding, what we are doing, we are going to perform categorical columns. Okay. And reminder is equals to pass through. So now we'll run this. Let me just reset the size back. So now the column transformation is done successfully. After that, what we are doing, df transformed is equals to, we are storing it, trans dot fit transform data frame, whatever it is there, we are performing fit transformation. So and after that, extract column names after transformation. So we are extracting the column names for numerical data and categorical data. For that, this is the code. And you can see here for each and everything we have written a comments, okay, so that what code is performing what technique, everyone can see and everyone can understand it very well. So okay, transformed column name is equals to transformed column name plus numerical column plus categorical column. So we have combined both. And then finally we have again created a data frame now, and now data frame dot head, you can see the column transformation is done properly. So now if you check this, so after this we will be performing the training of the data and other techniques. Okay, so once you can see here, you all can see here, even there is a YouTube channel link of this particular, if you open this, and even the email, and even my friend who have written this article, his LinkedIn account, anyone, everyone can connect with him, and even you can even message him also or me also. We are always there to solve you queries if you have any queries. Okay, so guys, that's all. Column transformer is not that complicated. Everything depends on only these two coding lines. We don't need to write so much of code here, whatever you can see. And instead of that, if you write like this, if you define in a column transformer and if you run, it will be done. So I hope you all got what column transformer does in this particular video. So in the next video, I'll be coming up with an interesting playlist called if you all want to learn generative AI, I'm coming up with a new playlist in which I'll be explaining you all about Microsoft Azure generative AI course, OpenAI course, in which I'll be practically implementing everything in front of you, and even you all will be getting a free certification from Microsoft. So every certifications, if you see in Microsoft, you have to pay money, but for this particular certification, it's completely free. Okay. So guys, stay tuned to my channel. Do subscribe the channel and you will be getting the new course update very soon. Bye bye. Meet you all in the next video.